Open Content and Templates, search Holiday. Pick a template and launch it in the editor.
Click on Content.
Then, click on Templates to browse through the available email templates. Now, type in Holiday from the search bar to filter for festive templates. Go ahead and select a template that catches your eye from the results. Once you've picked one, click on Use Template to load it into the editor. And there you have it. You can now start editing the template to make it your own. Happy holidays! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.